Hello everyone. Welcome to the training for CoreStation 20 and Door Interface, Suprema's new access control solution. First, let me introduce CoreStation 20. CS-20 is Suprema's dedicated RFID controller designed for simplified installation, delivering secure and scalable access control. It features 4 relays, 3 RS-485 ports, and 2 Wiegand ports, offering flexible deployment options for various environments. Let's look at the system architecture. CS-20 boasts excellent scalability. The CS-20 master controller, acting as a central hub, can directly connect to 4 readers. You can add up to 16 DI-24 expansion modules via RS-485 communication, ultimately creating a reader network that supports a total of 68 readers and 34 doors. Here are the hardware components. CS-20 features a compact main controller unit with integrated power management. For connectivity, it offers multiple RS-485 and Wiegand interfaces. Security features include tamper detection and an emergency override system. The installation process is a simple 4-step procedure. First, securely mount CoreStation 20 in a protected area. Next, connect up to 4 readers directly to the controller's 485 ports. If more doors need to be controlled, expand the system by connecting additional DI-24 units. Finally, complete the network configuration for the entire system using the web-based setup tool. Here are the key features of CoreStation 20. It supports multi-format RFID, compatible with all major card technologies, including mobile credentials. It provides integrated power output to directly power locks and readers, reducing wiring complexity. It can be easily configured using the intuitive web-based setup tool, CoreStation Setup Manager. It also offers a SAM slot integration for expandable card security through firmware customization. Let's talk about the competitive advantages. Compared to CoreStation, model CS-40, CS-20 is specialized for RFID-only functions, which simplifies deployment and lowers costs, making it more focused for RF environments. There are also differences between CS-20 and CS-20P models. CS-20P can power 1 lock and 1 reader via PoE+ and includes a SAM slot. These features lead to installation benefits such as reduced cabling requirements, faster deployment, and simplified maintenance procedures. Here are the compatible reader options. It works with Suprema readers like XStation 2, XPass 2, and XPass D2, as well as the upcoming XPQ2. These support a variety of card technologies, including major industry standards. It also broadly supports third-party options, such as Wiegand readers and OSDP compliant devices. Here are the general specifications for the product. CS-20 and CS-20P are equipped with a 1.2 GHz single-core CPU, 4 GB of flash memory, and 256 MB of RAM. They have obtained major certifications. Now for capacity and interface specifications. It can store up to 500,000 users and 5 million text logs. For interfaces, it supports 3 channels of RS-485, 2 channels of Wiegand, 4 relays, and 6 inputs and outputs. The CS-20P model supports Power of Ethernet Plus and a SAM slot, whereas the CS-20 model does not support these features. This slide shows the power supply specifications for readers and locks based on the power type. When using a 12-volt DC power source, it can power 2 readers and 2 locks. When using PoE+, it can power 1 reader and 1 lock. We recommend using EM or strike-type locks. Next is door interface, model DI-24. DI-24 is Suprema's new intelligent door interface unit, replacing the previous DM-20 model. This device provides enhanced functionality for environments requiring OSDP and offline failover operation, supporting flexible deployment through its built-in relays and I/O ports. Here are the key features of door interface. First, it offers an integrated power output feature that directly powers locks and readers, reducing wiring complexity. Second, configuration is simplified because the role of the aux input is predefined and the port layout is fixed. Let's take a quick look at what makes DI-24 powerful. It supports OSDP version 2.2, enabling secure, two-way communication with encryption. Even if the main controller goes offline, DI-24 keeps running, thanks to local storage of up to 16 facility codes. It also has pre-mapped inputs for tamper detection, power failure, and fire alarms, making setup easier. And with a Linux-based platform, it ensures stability and stores up to 400 logs during outages. Let me visually explain the offline access control feature. As you can see, even if communication with the master controller, CS-20, is lost, DI-24 uses its own stored facility codes to control readers and doors normally, ensuring operational continuity. This slide contains the general specifications for DI-24. Similar to CS-20, it includes information such as CPU, memory, operating temperature, dimensions, weight, and certifications. Next is a table for the interface and electrical specifications of DI-24. It provides detailed information regarding RS-485, Wiegand, relays, I/O, and power output. Finally, let's discuss the current limitations and our future plans. DI-24 is not currently supported by CS-40, but a new CS-40 firmware to enable this support is scheduled for release in the fourth quarter of 2025. The ability to connect a CS-20 as a slave to a master CS-20 is not yet implemented. We are targeting this for 2026. Currently, the offline mode of DI-24 operates using only facility codes. That wraps up our training on CoreStation 20 and door interface. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. We'll be happy to assist you.